Last period we had seen preparation of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So now we will continue the same. Okay. So you look at that next question, 14th one. So 14th question. Here one thing it is there. If you calculate, if you prepare the trading and profit and loss account balance sheet asset side will be more than the liability side. Means 21,330 difference will be there. Okay. So if you do the problem, difference will be there 21,330. 21,330 difference will be there. Asset side will be more. So if you check the question, then you can understand trial balance means debit side. If you take the total, we will get 3,64,700. 3 lakh. So you will get 3 lakh debit side total. Debit side total you will get 3,64,700. If you calculate the credit side total, then you will get 3,43,370. Okay. Then the balance amount is 21,330. Okay, 21,330. So what we will do? So now we have no time to rectify. What we will do? This one will be the what? We are opening one temporary account used to rectify the trial balance. Which account? Anila? We are opening one imaginary account used to rectify the trial balance. So what we'll do? Very good.
Suspense account.
Yes, suspense account. Okay, so you have to write in the credit side account item after bills payable. You have to write suspense account. Suspense account 21,330. First you have to write that one. Then we will start the problem. Clear? 21,330. Otherwise, after preparing the trading and profit loss account balance sheet, after preparing balance sheet, we will understand. Okay, asset side will be more than the credit side. So then we have to write remaining that amount will be suspense account. Okay, we will start the problem. We'll do first trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ending. For the year ending 31st March 2014. Debit, credit, because it is an account. Okay, so tell Hannah opening stock. 14th one, opening stock. Purchases. Hannah, five item. Purchases. Trading account. Carriage inward. First.
Trading account.
Salaries. Hannah, salaries.
Profit and loss account.
Commission.
Profit and loss account.
Okay, next, Tomlin, wages.
Trading account.
Rent and taxes. Tomlin, rent and taxes.
Trading.
Rent and taxes.
Profit and loss account.
Profit is either trader or profit. Next, repairs. Tomlin, repairs.
Trading account.
Trading account. Full trading account only. Repairs where? Tomlin.
Sir, trading.
Trading, not, it is a profit and loss account item. Repairs. Okay. Wages, carriage inward. Wages, carriage inward. Factory expenses. Direct expenses. Coal, power, gas, water, that is direct expense. This is indirect. Repairs, profit and loss account. Next, telephone expenses. Tomlin.
Sir, profit and loss.
Yes. Next, legal charges. Tomlin. Legal
Profit.
charges.
Profit and loss account.
Next, sundry expenses.
Trading account.
Trading accounts. I think that Sundari, then profit and loss account. Next, sundry expense. Next, cash in hand. Tomlin. Cash in hand. Trading account. Tomlin. Cash in hand.
I don't know, sir.
So, which one? Study the format of trading account and balance sheet. Okay, Tomlin. Then remaining all item profit and loss account. Next, which one? Pavitra, Muhammad Irfan. Muhammad Irfan. I think that he have facing network problem. Otherwise, he
Yes,
will
sir.
tell. Okay. A cash in hand. Okay. Cash. Where? Cash in hand. Irfan, cash in hand. I heard yes, sir, but I. Cash in hand. Anjo, Aditya, turn on your video. Anjo, cash in hand.
Balance sheet.
Yes, debtors,
Balance sheet.
machinery,
Balance sheet.
investment,
Balance sheet.
drawings.
Balance sheet.
Okay, very good. Next, Aditya, credit side, sales,
Trading account.
capital,
Balance sheet.
interest,
Balance sheet.
interest balance sheet. Aditya?
Profit and loss
Yes,
account.
profit and loss account. Next, commission. Commission,
Profit and loss account.
creditors,
Balance sheet.
bills payable,
Balance sheet.
okay. Suspense, no need to tell that at the time of balance sheet only we will find a mistake. So there only you have to put, okay, balance sheet. So we'll start the problem. Okay, study the format because next chapter also related to this one only with adjustments. Okay, so today you have to study the format of trading and the balance sheet. Then it is easy. Opening stock. So we'll do first 10,000. Next, two purchases. Credit side, we have to look any purchase return. No. 78,000. Next, all direct expenses. First, we will write wages. Wages 11,000. If you are not writing the order, no problem. To carriage inward 2,500. Wages. Any other direct expenses? Anjo?
No.
Okay. Next, credit side, by sales. So you have to look in the debit side, any sales return? No sales return. Same amount, 2,28,000. Next, by closing stock. By closing stock. It is given in the adjustment 22,000. Okay, over. Now we have to look which side is more. So on looking, we can understand credit side is more. 28, 30, 2,50,000. That total, which side is more? That total you have to write in both side. Then balance amount to credit side is more. So to gross profit, C bar D. So now we will calculate debit side total 88, 89, 99. Debit side total 1,01,500. Okay. Then credit side 2,50,000. Okay. So 1,48,500. Your answer is given 1,56,000. Right? So 1,48,500. Okay. Answer is given 1,56,000. No problem. So we will get by gross profit B bar D 1,48,500. Next, all direct expenses we will write. Two salaries 30,000. Next, commission to commission 10,000. Next, to rent and taxes. To rent and taxes 2,800. To repairs. To repairs 5,000. To telephone expenses. To telephone expenses. It is everything revenue expenses only. Telephone expenses 1,400. Next, to legal charges. To legal charges 1,500. 1,500. To legal charges 1,500. Next, to sundry expenses. Sundry expenses 2,500. Next, no other item. Sundry expenses, no other item. Okay. Credit side by interest received by interest 7,000. Okay, credit side income and liability by commission 8,000. Now we will do the total. On looking, we can understand that credit side is more. Like 58. 1,63,500. Credit side 1,63,500 to net profit transfer to capital. Capital account. To net profit transfer to capital account. So debit side total 40, 42,500, 42,800, 47,800, 48, 200, 49, 50. Debit side total 53,200. One lakh 63,500. Okay. Keep pushing. 1,10,300. Okay, so correct net profit we got. This only we are transferring to capital account. Okay. Now we will prepare the balance sheet. Next, the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. So first we will look the debit side, it will come asset side. Cash in hand. $12,000. Debtors, this is current asset. Debtors 30,000. Next, machinery investment, that is fixed asset. Machinery 60,000. Investment 90,000. Then credit side we have to look capital. The last we'll write creditors. Creditors, current liability 28,000. Bills payable. Bills payable. Bills payable 2,370. Okay. Now we will write capital. And suspense account is there. So suppose if you are not looking the question, if you are writing the answer, means after writing the balance sheet you can understand. Okay. So in that case liability side will be less, so that time you have to put suspense. If asset side is less, there you have to write suspense. Suspense account 21,330. 21,330. Next capital 70,000. Add net profit 1,10,300. 1,10,300 less drawings. Less drawings 18,000. So 1,62,300. Now we have to look adjustment. Adjustment, one item is there, closing stock 22,000. Forty, 42, 44, 64, 24, 2,50,000. Okay. Okay, next one, last question. So we can start after, I think there's second period, we will get to start a new chapter. So tell Atul, turn on your video. So you tell 15th question. Text you have now. Last question. Opening stock 50,000. Miss Sports Equipment. Last one. 15th.
15th I don't have.
Okay. Discount.
Profit and loss account.
Office expenses.
Profit and loss account.
Okay. Okay, we will start. So we'll complete first. First, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. For the year ending, for the year ending 31st March 2014. Debit, credit, because format for that you will get a mark in board exam. To opening stock, to opening stock 50,000, 50. Next, purchases, to purchases. In credit side, any return? No return. Only sales return is there. Okay. So 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Next, direct expense, carriage on purchase. That is carriage in word. Carriage outward means carriage on sales. Carriage on purchase. Carriage on purchase. Amount is 12,000. I think 12,000. Carriage on purchase, furniture, purchase, and okay, 12,000. Next, wages. To wages, 8,000. To wages, 8,000. Next, no other item. By sales. Sales return is there. Sales 4,21,000 less sales return. Sales return, it is given 5,000. Okay, so we'll get 4,16,000. Next, by closing stock. By closing stock. This is given in the adjustment 2,500. 2,500. So credit side 4 lakh, 12,000. Here gross loss, I think. Debit side is more. Okay, 4 lakh, 20,000. 4 lakh 20,000. Debit side is more. That total you have to write in both side. Balance amount is balance amount, Karthik.
$1,500.
Yes, 1,500. That will be brought down to gross loss B bar D, 1,500. Then we will write all the direct expenses to commission. 1 minute. Commission, it is given in the credit side. Is it correct? Credit side. So it is income. By amount, you have to look where it is given. Okay, If it is credit income, if it is debit expense, 4,000. Next, land carriage, so it is rent. That is in the debit side to rent expense. Rent 15,000. Next, bad debt to bad debt. To bad debt 15,000. Next, 7,000. Next, stationery to stationery. Station 6,000. Next, traveling expenses to traveling expenses. Traveling expenses 2,000. Next, insurance. Insurance 7,000. To discount, to discount 5,000. Next, to office expenses. Office expenses 2,000. No, any other item? No. Debit side is more. Debit side total. Debit side total, Abarna?
Sir, 4,55,000.
No. 4,20,000 no need to take. 1,500, 15,000, 7,000, 6,000, 2,000, 7,000, 5,000, 2,000. Okay?
45,500.
Yes, 45,500. 45,500. So balance we have to write by net loss transferred to capital minus 4,000, we'll get 41,500. Now we can do the balance sheet. Okay. So next period we will do the balance sheet and we will start the new chapter. Okay. Thank you.